In this tutorial, we'll cover how to set up your format account and build your submission page for the Booooooom Format Creative Development Program. There is no fee to apply, and you are not required to add any payment info when creating an account with Format. This is completely free for 60 days. Before we dive in, let's talk about the program. This program isn't a competition for the most polished portfolio or the biggest following. The panel is looking for curiosity, commitment, and a genuine desire to grow. So as you're building your page, focus on showing your work honestly and writing about where you actually are in your practice. That's what will stand out. To start your trial, go to the Booooooom Format program link. It's important you sign up through this specific link as it registers you for the program. You'll get 60 days free, no credit card required. Now create your account with your email and a password. You can now start building your submission page. Click Create New Pages instead when prompted. Then click Create and click Custom Page. Finally, add a name to your page. You'll then be prompted to either start from scratch or use a custom page template. For this page, your submission needs to include your full name, a selection of images of your work, and 2 written statements, one describing the work you're presenting, and the other telling us who you are and what kind of support you're hoping to get out of this mentorship. To upload your work, click Add section. We recommend going to Flex and choosing from one of our new Flex block modules with drag and drop capabilities. Click on your block, click Edit block, then add your images. Upload a selection of your original work and arrange them in the order that best represents your practice. This is less about a greatest hits reel and more like a considered edit. What images together tell the clearest story about where you are and what you're making. Next, we'll add your statements. This is the heart of your submission. Click on your block, add section from the Flex tab, press the text module, and choose your desired design. Here's what each statement should cover. For statement 1, describe what we're looking at. What is the work, and what were you exploring when you made it? For statement 2, share where you are in your practice. What stage are you at? What feels unresolved? And what kind of support or direction would be the most useful to you right now? The panel is prioritizing genuine desire to grow over technical polish, so authenticity matters more than sounding impressive. Now it's time to add your full name to your page. If there is a pre-designed spot to add your name, you can do that there. Otherwise, you can add a section. Once you've added your content, make sure to press Save. If you'd like to change your site name, go to the design editor and press Website Title and Logo to update your site name. Beyond the required elements, feel free to design the site to fit your vision. You're using the Reflex theme, which is our most flexible theme. With tons of options for customizing navigation, gallery pages, and mobile display, you can customize your site to best fit your work. And that's it. Once you have your full name, your images, and both written statements, you're entered. No extra steps required. The submission window runs from July 14th to September 2nd, so your 60-day trial gives you the full window to take your time and put your best work forward. Good luck. We can't wait to see what you make.